In this video, you'll learn how to add MX records to a domain in Hostinger using hpanel. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to type to get your email working correctly with your domain. Let's start from inside hpanel, which is Hostinger's control panel. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the page and find the section labeled Domains. This is where Hostinger lists all the domain names you have with them. Go ahead and click on the Domains tab. This takes you to an overview page showing your domains, along with some basic details and management options for each one. Next, find the specific domain you want to update with new MX records. This is important, especially if you have several domains in your account. Take a second to double check that you're selecting the right domain, because the MX records you add here will control where email for that domain is delivered. Once you're sure you've got the correct one, look to the right of it and click on the Manage button. Clicking Manage opens the settings page for that particular domain. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different options that let you control various aspects of your domain, like redirects, DNS, and name servers. From this sidebar, select the option labeled DNS name servers. This is where all of your DNS-related settings live, including MX records. When the DNS/name servers section loads, you'll see a couple of tabs. Make sure you stay on the tab called DNS records. This area lists all of your current DNS entries, such as A records, CNAME records, TXT records, and of course, MX records. If you've never changed DNS settings before, it might look a bit technical, but we're only going to focus on what you need for your email. To add your MX records, you'll usually have the required details from your email provider, like the type, name, and target. Sometimes you'll also have a priority value and maybe a TTL or time to live. The key here is to enter the same type, name, and target values that you were given. Type will be MX. Name is often the root of your domain or the @ symbol, depending on how Hostinger formats it. And target is the mail server address your email provider gave you. In the DNS records section, look for the controls that let you add a new record. There will typically be a form where you can choose the type from a drop-down, then fill in the name and target fields. Carefully select MX as the type, then type in the name exactly as indicated, and paste or enter the target value exactly as it appears in your instructions. Take your time to avoid typos, as even a small mistake can prevent email from working. Once you've entered those details, click the Add Record button to save the new MX entry. If your provider gave you more than one MX record, repeat this same process for each one, always matching the type, name, and target they specified. When you're done, your new MX records will be active in Hostinger's DNS. Keep in mind that DNS changes don't take effect instantly. It can take anywhere from a few minutes up to several hours for the new MX records to fully propagate across the internet. After waiting a bit, you can test by sending and receiving emails on your domain to confirm everything is working as expected.